2 and 2 cancels out each other. 3 divided by 3, that equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operators present, and in between we have a fraction involved too. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but we must work from left to right. Therefore, we should solve this division first. Now to solve this fraction, we can use KCF rule here. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep this 3 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 3 over 2 as 2 over 3, and then we have times 2 available from the original expression. 3 and 3 cancels out each other, leaving us with 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 gives us 4, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.